Hello children, today we are going to learn young ones of animals and birds. Dog, puppy. Dog, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Cow, calf. Cow, calf. Calf, calf. Sheep, lamb. Sheep, lamb. Lamb, lamb. Lion, cub. Lion, cub. Cub, cub. Frog, tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Tadpole, tadpole. Cat, kitten. Cat, kitten. Kitten, kitten. Horse, foal. Horse, foal. Foal, foal. Hen, chicken. Hen, chicken. Chicken, chicken. Duck, duckling. Duck, duckling. Duckling, duckling. Goat, kid. Goat, kid. Kid. Once again children, say with me. Dog, puppy. Dog, puppy. Cow, calf. Cow, calf. Sheep, lamb. Sheep, lamb. Lion, cub. Lion, cub. Frog, tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Cat, kitten. Cat, kitten. Horse, foal. Horse, foal. Hen, chicken. Hen, chicken. Duck, duckling. Duck, duckling. Goat, kid. Goat, kid. Thank you.